In this video, we'll be editing our password reset failure and password reset success. We'll head over to email verification success and copy the code and go to my password reset success and paste it. I'll change the function name to password reset success. Then I go to email verification fail, copy and go to my password reset failure, paste it, then copy the name and paste. So I'll come back to my password reset success.js and change the p tag. Your password has been reset. Please log in with your new password. Then this is my button. I'll make a few changes to it. Yes, the history of push is okay. Push it to login page, but I think I'll delete this whole function of logout. I'll delete it, delete history, then come and paste my history to push here. Oh, sorry, go back and return my history, then paste history to push. So if we go to login page and I'll go to my password reset failure.js and edit my p tag. Something went wrong trying to reset your password. Then I'll push it back to login and change the button text to back to login. Then I think everything is looking nice and clean. So I'll save all. Once that is done, I come back to my routes.js and import my password reset landing page. I'll copy a route and paste it, then cut the component and paste there, then change the slug. The slug now will be reset password / password reset code. That will be the ID that will be sent along with the slug in the browser search bar. That being said, I think that's all for this video. See you guys in the next section.